We changed this to 3/4 inch plywood, and we're going to put the same flooring that we have downstairs on it. It's waterproof. What's that stuff called?
Vinyl plank flooring?
Vinyl plank flooring. It's good stuff. We're going to put that up here. We were going to do hickory, but we had a little issue with the lumber yard, so that changed. These are the posts that are going to support the railing up there in the loft. So my big problem is all of this stuff works fine. This part, the sink got pushed too far forward this way, and there's a big hole cut out of the bottom, which I'll try to show you that. But on the bottom of this part of the drain, there's a thread, and that thread, this is the piece that's supposed to thread into it, but it wasn't threading because it got all bushed. It's very fragile metal. And it was too close to the circular piece that I cut out. It's hard to explain, but it's really hard to show you. But it's not connecting now, so this isn't going to work. So I'm probably going to have to take and buy a whole new set, this and this. So we're going to try and take it out with this tool Virginia bought, and I'll let you know if that works. If it does, I'll put it in the description if you want to get it. I'll let you know. It's kind of tricky, especially with a vessel sink and a thick counter. So, I mean, they're cool, but they're challenging to put in. So that's my new dilemma. I'll let you know how we make out. This is the underside. It's hard to see, but there's white stuff around that pipe that comes down that's threaded, and that threaded part is destroyed because it's too close. And I tried to mill it out, but that's how that metal piece got destroyed. But we'll probably have to replace the whole thing. I'm just hoping I can get up in there and take that other piece that's in the sink out. So I had to cut apart the existing drain in order to get it out, because it's hard to explain, but it just wasn't fitting and it was not fun. But I have to buy another drain. It doesn't have to be long, because I've cut a big circle in this. I'll show you from below. See what I did. Cut a 3-inch circle out of there. So now when I hook it up, I'll just hook it up to the bottom of the sink, which is what this is. And I hope that makes sense. Not easy. Today we're going to finish the walls in here. These 1, 2, 3 walls. We're hoping we have enough oak. We also want to use whatever oak we have for these steps. And I need 11 for each landing. So 22 11-inch wide by 3-inch, or 11-inch deep by 3-inch wide. So I'm hoping I got enough oak for that. So we've laid out some boards. Hopefully we'll have enough, and enough to do stairs. I've got 3 wide planks over there in the distance. Over there. That'll cover quite a few, but they're 36 inches wide. Couldn't make them more narrow because that's code, which, whatever. This is our cutting station. We could use a chop saw, but it's not set up, so we've been using a speed square and the circular saw and jigsaw when we need to do fine cuts. And then we sand the edges, make sure that it's clean. And if we need to use the table saw, we've got it. And there's also a hand planer right there. So hopefully we got enough wood to finish this and also have wood for the stairs. This is what we got left right here in the pallets. This is different wood. This is what we put in the peaks. Well, we finished the oak walls, and this oak was a nightmare. We paid up for it, but it was just stupid. Big mistake. We had to plane it and really work with it. It turns out pretty nice, but I would never do it again. It was very expensive. I'm not even gonna tell you what we paid for it. But anyway, it's up in this room. And wasn't too hard. This wall was harder because a lot of outlets and things. We're gonna hook up the hot water heater, I think, tomorrow. Maybe the drain down there. And I'll figure out how to close that in. This is just a overall house shut off. You can see the paddle in there. Shower, laundry. It's been a long day. Okay, so more later. Oh, I got the molding up on the sides here. This one is fatter than that one, but you won't see that with the door closed. And I had to go fat with this one. I was running out of good wood, plus I was covering a black pallet there to help secure the door. That's good. Don't know if I told you, I put a little light up there. Like that. That's a 3-way switch. The other one's at the top of the stairs. Okay, more later.